Hello guys. In this video, as usual, like I always do, I give you trade setups and I allow you to take these trades for yourself and make some good money, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you my analysis for ROLC, and it goes like this. Very simple. I'm starting from the 1 hour time frame, and if we really zoom in, you can see that price has been bearish, making consecutive lows over time. So I just want to mark the last low, which was this, visibly that we can all see. Now, we want to ask ourselves, did price break below the low, the body close? If no, then we're on the run to something big. Yeah, price did not break the low. So the next thing I want to do is mark out where we have areas of liquidity. Liquidity could come in highs and lows, but in this section, we'll be dealing with only trend line liquidity because we are about to see a reversal, right? Only trend line liquidity. So I'll mark this zone out. I'm going to mark that zone out as an impending liquidity. I would also mark this region right here. I'll mark this region. This is liquidity here. And that is all the liquidity that we have. Now, let's focus on current price action. What is price doing currently? Let's see what's price doing. This is where we are. And the model is very simple, right? The model is very, very simple and explicit. It goes like this. Simple Wyckoff model. First of all, we get the breakout, which is this. Right? And then we expect that price would buy from here to the upside, right? From this point and then go back to the upside. But that's not what we are looking for. We're not doing it like every other SMC trader. We want to see a sweep of this low, right? We want to see a sweep of the low. I want to see price come up to take this high, meaning that liquidity has been taken from both buy side and sell side. So here is going to be my range that I'll be working with. I'll just extend this line. Here will be my range that I'll be working with. And here will be the range low. Right? So the moment I see this frame up and get a new break of structure, I know my direction is bullish. Right? I know my direction is extremely bullish. So I'm going to mark this as BOS. Now I'm waiting for price to come down, maybe to a fair value gap, depending on what exactly price wants to do, or come back to this demand level and buy from there. All right, that's what I'm waiting for. So right here, I'm just going to switch to a lower time frame so that everything becomes very visible. I'll put it on 30 minutes first and show you how I would approach this trade in particular, right? Now, I'll mark this out. Mark this as my range high, and I would also mark this as my range low that has been taken out. The price was taken out from here and here. Okay, I think this is not straight enough. Let me just use horizontal line. Oh, sorry, horizontal ray. I think that works better. Perfect. So this is the missing puzzle. So we have our first sweep of liquidity and then second sweep of liquidity. And now we have a valid break of structure. Now you see how price breaks structure. You see how price breaks structure in a very mature way. You see aggressively. You see it aggressively. And now price is willing to do the needful, right? Which is to come back and start buying from here. So our area of interest, our point of interest is going to be the fair value gap that breaks through a liquidity zone or a key level. So I'll switch this to line chart. We can see this very clearly, right? We can see this very, very clearly. Let me just mark this. You can see this one here. Put this on red, right? So this is going to be my entry for this level. I'll take this as my entry. I don't mind putting my stop loss right below here. So my stop loss could be there. Or we could as well take a Quasimodo, a QM level, which might be here. But this QM level is already mitigated. So I wouldn't want to take a trade from it. I want to take this trade from a level that has been mitigated. So I'll just focus my energy on this level here. This is very fresh. So when price gets here, I'm anticipating a buy from here. Put my stop loss right below the very lows. And guess where I'm going to target? First TP will be here. That's about 2.5, 2.4 rather. First TP will be this high. It's going to sweep this high completely. And it will now go straight into this pool of liquidity. Now, a market maker model, they might tell you that this is called a low risk buy into, they'll call it different names. Market maker can call this move from here a low risk buy and the beginning of a reaccumulation, right? The beginning of a reaccumulation. Now, how do I know this is a breakout? Look at it. Look at where the fair value gap started from the bottom. That's to know that there was buying pressure here. If the fair value gap has started from here, the high tendency that price will to reverse down, but you can see how price is holding. So this is obviously a valid break of structure. This is valid, right? This is completely valid. So guys, this is it. Now, if you find this video interesting, please turn on your post notifications, subscribe, and of course, you can actually subscribe for daily A+ setups like this for just 6,000 naira every month. 6,000 naira, and you get at least 5 of these setups every single day. We post them here on the daily A+ VIP trade setup. Click on join, and it's going to take you directly into the payment section. Fill in your card details, and voila, you're good to go. Right? So for 6,000 naira every month, which is absolutely nothing, you are getting 5 of these setups directly into your mail. And all you have to do is just open the video and watch them. Very short and precise videos to actually exact. And yes, that's how we roll, guys. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Subscribe to Bybit and keep trading, guys. One love. Peace.